Ever since I was a kid, I loved being outdoors, whether it was riding bikes around my neighborhood or laying in my hammock in the backyard. However, my favorite activity is going hiking in the forest preserves near my home. I've been hiking in there since I was a young kid. I know those trails so well, I could probably even walk them blindfolded. Walking in the forest is a great way to learn about the natural life within the environment around me in the forest. It is great because you never know what's going to pop out around a tree. However, today the forest preserve is not full of the life it used to have. It makes me upset knowing that even though it's supposed to be preserved, that there are sections of the forest that are being cut down to make paper products. Since the logging company has come in, it is now barren and not as lively as it once was. I first learned of the deforestation when I was hiking with my brother and we spotted large tire tracks. We thought that was strange as vehicles are prohibited. However, as we pressed on, we could see the buzzsaws in action tearing down the trees. This was very troubling as they were destroying something that was not only supposed to be protected under the law, but it was destroying homes and the ecosystem within the preserve. I figured that there is only one way to go. Not on the trail, but in my life, trying to combat the deforestation that was happening at the hands of the logging company. One solution is simple yet far-fetched. The solution is that everybody should take part in recycling. Recycling is key as it can help slow the rate in which the deforestation is happening. However, recycling is hard to do because it requires all people taking action in the process to actually make a difference. Another way of helping recycle is to buy paper products that are made with 100% recycled paper. But it is one way that we can make a dent in the logging company industry as they mainly cut down trees for paper products. A major technological advancement that scientists have discovered is by tapping into the command center of the trees called the cambium, which encourages growth. The scientists have found that controlling the cambium encourages cell division through the process called mitosis, and it can make trees grow bigger and faster than trees already grow, which means that the logging company could plant trees on their own plot of land, grow the trees faster and bigger by tapping into the cambium, and only half of the plot of land it usually takes them to make the paper products. To combat the human impact within forest preserves, we can all start by recycling, as this will help make a dent in the logging company. If we all do our part to get it, we can make a great change. Another way is by planting trees that will grow in forest preserves. Hopefully then the science of increasing the cell production rate will help the trees grow bigger and faster than they ever have, creating new homes and scenery within the forest. If we do not act together, future generations will not know about the beauty that is the forest.